Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we see NC, my favorite bike. I have one cherry color. This is a original. We are here to show you the original travel pack. Okay.
Like aluminium, like
Maybe aluminium.
very light.
It's called like aluminium. This is aluminium.
Yes.
Probably it's aluminium. You are watching the travel pack with the original Honda. I'm going to show you what's difference here from the normal model. One thing it's different is the rack that holds everything. A rack is original Honda, but supposed to be like this. No rack here. This is the empty, normal version, and this is a travel. Okay. Also, the differences is this piece of cage here that protects, and you put your lights.
Η διαφορά είναι συμπλέκτη χωρίς συμπλέκτη.
Like this. Okay, and this, ladies and gentlemen, was what Honda gives as a travel pack. Lights, cage, side case, top case, and the rack. And also, this bike has here space, which is amazing. And by the way, I have this bike and I travel very far away, and the speed, cruising speed is 130, and it runs so smooth that you cannot imagine. So big suggestion, very fast, powerful bike with lots of torque. I suggest you to try it out, and you will be surprised how powerful it is with the torque, you know. This is the DCT version. This handbrake, and here has the gears. No clutch, no gears here. Very nice.